perhaps what their lifestyles are, and then lastly, to tailor a message to those customers based on that segmentation. So really powerful stuff, more operational GIS in nature. The Visual Flow Designer allows a user to basically drag and drop the methods that you might see in the green area or in the service interfaces themselves, drag and drop those onto a form and create a workflow, be able to pass a customer data set through all those steps that I just mentioned to end up with a much more effective campaign. So geoprocessing for Spatial Server is new. It's very exciting for us and really addresses an important part of our customers' needs.
So Tom, we got a couple questions here. So I'm sure we have more than a few MapInfo professional users with us today on the webinar. How would they take advantage of Spatial Server?
So MapInfo Professional, and this really ties back to the web services layer you see here in the orange. MapInfo Professional, for example, is a client of WMS. So MapInfo Professional can access Spatial Server by consuming the OGC Web Map service. It can also interact with MapInfo Manager, which I had mentioned before, will be part of Spatial Server. So from a cataloging standpoint, MapInfo Professional users out of the box can create metadata, they can edit metadata, they can search it, and just as importantly, they'll be able to consume the actual data in any number of ways through Spatial Server.
And so we covered off a desktop user with that question. How does Spatial Server differ from the traditional SDK to incorporate or integrate